All right, what's up? Today we have an Altec Lansing InMotion. I think this is an IM600, something like that. iPod dock speaker. I had it hooked up to my music player, and we're gonna play some songs, see how it sounds. All right, so as you can hear, sounds pretty decent, except that there's absolutely no bass at all, which is fine for a small portable speaker considering it's from the early 2000s. And from what I could hear, everything other than bass is pretty well represented. It's clear, it doesn't distort, and the mids are there. The treble, it's kind of rolling off at, I don't know, somewhere around 12, 13 hertz, 13 kilohertz. But it's there. It's acceptable. And this is probably not that expensive of a machine. It's definitely not a Bose sound dock. So I would say this is a pretty decent iPod dock.